Right. Milad, scene 5, take 1. With so many options for continued learning after you qualify, it can be quite difficult to choose what to do. Now, it's key to remember that dentistry is a career and you're going to be in it for a long time, so you don't have to rush and do a million courses in the first year after you qualify. Also, it takes some time of actually doing some dentistry to figure out the things that you like, the things that you don't like, and things that you actually want to learn more about. However, there are some key courses I think you can look at that can really help your career. Number 1, communication skills. Now, no matter how good your clinical skills are, if you cannot communicate properly with a patient, if you can't make them feel comfortable, if you can't build up that rapport and trust to actually allow you to do some dentistry for them, you're never going to get a chance to show off those skills anyway. So investing in communication skills training can really help you build up that relationship with your patient to then allow you to do the dentistry that you really enjoy. Number 2, ethical sales courses. Now, no matter how much we look at it, when you're carrying out dentistry, unless you're working in a hospital setting or community setting, working in practice, we are effectively selling treatments to our patients. Now, we're not selling double glazing and we're not there to con our patients, but having an understanding of how to present the viable options to them to allow your patient to make an informed decision on the treatment they have is super key. And it will also then in turn allow you to do the dentistry that you enjoy, and it will allow for a long and prosperous career. Number 3, restorative courses. Now, of course, prevention is key, but sadly, when that fails, restoration is what we have to do. And this really is the bread and butter of our dentistry. So having a good understanding of the restorative options out there with a good fundamental knowledge of occlusion will really allow you to provide the very best care for your patients. So invest in learning these key skills early on in your career. Lastly, special courses. Now, once you've learned how to effectively chat to your patients, how to ethically sell to your patients, and how to carry out the fundamental basics of dentistry, then you can start looking at some more courses to develop skills that you enjoy. So for example, it could be cosmetic dentistry, it could be orthodontics, it could be implant dentistry, facial aesthetics or aesthetic medicine. There's loads to choose from, but get those key skills in first and then decide on the things that you'd like to develop. Mate, I am freestyling all over the place, but nailing it. If you've forgotten anything that I've said, don't panic. You can download the DFT Financial Survival Guide that's available at the end of the workshop.